it, flip it, top it with the bow tie, flipping, stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. Not my first pick, but I'll do it.
Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Alicia, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this Catgirl makeup look on my dark skin. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I'm taking this dark purple and I'll be blending that on my eyelid and to the bottom of my eye. I used purple because my hair is purple, so you could use any color of your choice, but I chose to use purple. And now I'm doing the other side, so yeah, it's up to you which color you would like to use. Then I'm going into this black and I'll be, just deepening up the purple. And don't carry the eyeshadow too high up to the eyebrows. Yes, and I'm just taking the black, and everywhere that I put the purple, I'm putting the black. So yeah, so I'm going in with my liquid liner and I'll be drawing a big wing on both eyes.
Top it with the bow tie, flipping, stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. I'm a cherry, the way they all go, knock them down like she a dodgeball. Little mess up and she's angry, one downfall, she blamed the whole team.
Now I'm going in with the same liquid liner and I'll be drawing in some fake eyelashes to the bottom of my eyes to give it a more catgirl look, because catgirls have big bottom lashes. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going in with my white pencil liner now because catgirls have big dolly looking eyes, cute eyes, so I'm just doing that. And then I'll be going in with my liquid liner and just giving my eyes some inner corner flicks, so it will look a little more, sharp, I'm going in with this pencil liner and I will be outlining my lips because I want to do a purple ombre, purple and black lip. So I just starting with the black pencil on the outside. Then I'm going in with this purple liquid lipstick from Sasha to give me that ombre effect. It's called You Only Die Once. And these are teeth that I made using moldable plastic. I got this on Amazon. It's called thermoplastic beads or something like that. I'll put a link in the description box for you guys. And now I'm going to do my freckles because a catgirl, I don't know, catgirls have freckles, I guess. And I'll also put a link in the description box for the contacts that I'm wearing for this video. So yeah, okay friends, so this is the final catgirl look. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll also put a link for the cat ears that I have on in the video because I don't know if you guys will want it. Okay my loves, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you would like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So take care and bye. Love you guys.
Knock them down like she a dodgeball. Little mess up and she's angry, one downfall, she gonna need a reason. Box it, flip it, top it with the bow tie, flipping, stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. I'm a cherry, the way they all go, knock them down like she a dodgeball.